If you are looking to create an online course, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to guide you through a structured process to help you design and launch a successful online course. By following these steps, you will ensure that your course is engaging, valuable, and well organized. So, let's get started. The first step is choosing a strong course title. This is crucial because your course title is in the first thing potential students will see. It needs to capture their attention and clearly convey what they will learn. Start by researching existing courses in your field, look at popular titles, and identify the keywords that catch attention. This research will help you understand what learners are actively searching for. Once you have your research, choose a title that's clear, catchy, and directly communicate the value of your course. For example, instead of just Python programming, you could go with Master Python for Beginner to Professional in 30 days. Your title should give students a solid idea of what they will accomplish by the end of the course. Next, let's move on to preparing your course outline. This step is all about organizing your content in a local and easy to follow way. Start by creating a table of contents that outlines all the key topics and lessons. This is not just for your students' benefit, it also helps you stay organized as you develop the course. Think of it as your roadmap. Each lesson should build upon the previous one, leading your learners from beginner concept to more advanced material. For example, you are teaching a career development course, you might have 7 units, each with multiple lessons. Keeping your course structured like this ensures a smooth learning experience. Now that you have got your course outline, it's time to prepare your marketing copy. Why? Because creating the course is only half the battle. Attracting students is the other half. Your marketing copy should focus on why your course is unique and the benefits students will get from enrolling. Think about it. What sets your course apart? What will learners be able to do after completing it? You will need to include a short course description, the key topics you will cover, how the course is for, and any prerequisite students should know about. For instance, if your course teaches digital marketing, your marketing copy could explain how learners will gain hands-on experience in creating social media campaigns and running ads. Remember, you are not just selling content, you are selling outcomes. Now that your marketing copy is ready, it's time to write the course script. Before you dive into writing, I recommend creating a storyboard. A storyboard helps you visualize how each video will help out. You will map out what you will say and show, so everything flows smoothly when recording. Once you have your storyboard, it's time to write the script. Keep your explanations simple but engaging. Break down complex concepts into digestible pieces and avoid overwhelming your students. Think of your script as a conversation. You are there to guide, not lecture. Next up is recording your course. Whether you are recording audio or video, make sure your sound quality is top-notch. Invest in a good microphone and camera. Clear audio is key because your voice will guide your learners through the course. If you are appearing on camera, ensure your environment is well-lit and free of distraction. Speak naturally and clearly. It should feel like you are having a one-on-one conversation with your students. Once recording is done, the next step is editing your videos. Here is where you can polish your content, remove any mistakes, add subtitles for accessibility, and include visuals like slide, image, or diagrams to enhance the learning experience. A good video editor can help your course look professional and engaging. Now let's talk about adding assessments. To reinforce what your students are learning, include quizzes or assessments. This could be multiple choice questions, true-false, or short answer questions. Assessments help ensure students are grasping key concepts and processing through the material. Finally, as you build your course, it is essential to stay organized. Keep your research, scripts, and video files well organized in folders. I recommend using cloud storage like Google Drive for easy access and collaboration. This way, you can quickly locate and update your materials as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, choosing a strong title, preparing your course outline, writing a marketing copy, scripting, recording, editing, and organizing your materials, you will be well on your way to create a professional and engaging online course. Remember, take your time with each step and always keep your students' learning experience in mind. Best of luck, and I can't wait to see the course you create.